Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video we have the Mpow H5 noise cancelling Bluetooth headphones. So what makes these headphones unique is that they are active noise cancelling for only about $50, and check the link in the description to find that price. In addition to that, they have about 18 hours of battery life. So let's go ahead and open them up and check them out. Come in a nice cardboard box. I like that because you can recycle it. Alright, looks like the box only contains the Mpow carrying case, which is very sturdy. To say it has a great design on it, and it zips closed so you can ensure that these headphones stay protected. We'll go ahead and unzip that to reveal the headphones. So everything is protected by plastic. So as you can see right here, we have the Mpow H5s. They do fold down, and the earmuffs swivel. So you have several different ways to make these compact and fit them in the different backpacks or maybe a briefcase, things like that. So as you can see, the earmuffs are actually large enough to fit completely over your ear, and that's going to really help that noise canceling. And the earmuff padding is very cushioned. This is a very, very soft leather feeling. And then on the headband here, we have more cushion that is also very good feeling. On the sides of each earmuff here, we have a very shiny area, which kind of looks cool, and I like the way this looks with these openings here. Then we have an Mpow logo, which is kind of like a smoke logo. So it's not flat white, it's kind of a gray, and it just kind of looks cool from a distance. On the left earmuff over here, we have what looks like a microphone. We have the micro USB connector for charging, an indicator light, and then we have some buttons right here. So we have three buttons. We have plus and minus, and these will control the volume as well as changing the track. And then we have a Bluetooth button. So this will turn it on, this will pause and play, and I believe this will also trigger voice assistants such as Siri or Google Assistant. Coming up on the swivel area for the earmuffs, and this is kind of a rubberized feeling. It has a very high quality feeling. All of this is plastic, by the way, right here. So it's going to be very lightweight. Then we have this extender so that it can fit on larger size head. This is pretty tight right here. It is metal, so that's a pretty good construction, high build quality. The headband's pretty stretchy, so you can fit it over large heads or people with big hair or a hat. And then, as you can see, the headband, we have the indicators for right and left. Moving over to the right earmuff, we have the Axillary Port ins. So this is a 3.5mm connector that allows you to plug the headphones in if the battery dies, and you can still listen to music from your phone or computer, anything like that. And then we have the switch for the active noise cancelling. So you just turn that on, you get a green light indicator letting you know that it's on, and you can turn it right off. Also in the package, we get a charging cable, which is micro USB to standard USB. You get an auxiliary cable, which is male to male 3.5mm. Then we have a little warning card that says not to charge these with a quick charger, and a user's manual. That's everything that's in this case here. We'll quickly look at the case. As you can see, it has a very big, very soft area for the headphones, and then you have a nice accessory pouch up here. So now we've taken a closer look at the headphones. I'm gonna get them connected to my phone, and I'll try them out. All right, so to put the Mpow H5 headphones in pairing mode, I'm gonna hold down the Bluetooth button until we see a flashing red and blue light. Alright, it's in pairing mode. Comes up on my phone as Mpow H5, and we're connected. Alright, so after having had a chance to test out the Mpow H5 active noise cancelling headphones, I have to say overall, pretty impressed with both the sound quality and the active noise cancelling. First, let's start with the active noise cancelling. So I do have a pair of $300 Bose active noise cancelling headphones, and the noise cancelling on the Mpow H5s is very comparable with the way those work. So with active noise cancelling, it's not going to remove all background noise. If an ambulance is going by or other loud noises, it's not going to get rid of those noises, but it will get rid of noises such as if you're on a plane, the background noise of a plane, water running, things like that, a fan. You will no longer hear those noises. And then small little annoying noises such as maybe like a ringing or something weird like that, it will get rid of those or diminish them. But that's just something to understand about noise cancelling. And these were very comparable to both the $300 Bose headphones as well as the Mpow H8, which are also another pair of noise cancelling headphones. But the audio quality with these, for music, podcasts, anything like that, very, very enjoyable. I found that it did sound better when I had the noise cancelling turned on. It just kind of had a clearer, more crisp sound to it, which I found very enjoyable. I was listening to all types of music and podcasts. The vocals came through very clear. The bass was actually pretty loud, so I was very happy with that. So if you're into more bass dependent music such as hip hop, it's going to be very enjoyable with these headphones. And then the highs and the mids were not tinny at all. It was very crisp and very clear. The comfort with these on your head, I did see some reviews that they're very tight on your head, and while they are a little tight, you can always adjust them, and I think the tightness kind of plays into the noise canceling because it makes a very good seal over your ears on your head so that no noise can get in, and then the active noise canceling can kind of work. One of the weird things I did find about these headphones is, so I was walking around outside hiking and there was wind hitting the headphones and you could really hear it. It was kind of loud, and the active noise canceling did not diminish that at all. So that's just something to keep in mind if you're going to be running or you're going to be outdoors where there's wind. You may have some wind noise that can get a little annoying. One thing I want to point out about the face that's on each earmuff right here, while it's shiny and it looks cool, I could see these getting easily scratched. So you're going to want to protect these. You're going to want to use the case that's included and just make sure you protect these headphones so they don't get scratched on the outside here. Overall, for the price of $50, I would highly recommend these headphones. I think the noise canceling is great. These would be good for studying or trying to concentrate or just trying to have a peaceful moment. And the audio quality is enjoyable for all types of music, including podcasts. The battery life on these is over 18 hours, so you can use these all day long without an issue. And if the battery does die, just use the Axillary Port on the bottom, plug that into your cell phone or computer, and then you can continue on listening to your music or podcast. These headphones do have a built-in microphone right here, and that's meant for when you're talking on the phone. Now the quality when talking on the phone is a little bit muffled, so you can hear the person that you're speaking to on the other end very clearly. Their voice comes through loud, very clear, but your voice is just a little bit muffled, so it was hard to understand. So that's something to keep in mind. You could get a quick call in, but you're not going to want to do a conference call with these on. Another thing I want to point out is this very bright green light that comes on when you activate the noise canceling. So you're going to know if this is on, you won't leave it on and drain the battery. If you have any questions about the Mpow H5 active noise canceling Bluetooth headphones, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to add an Amazon affiliate link to the description below so you can find these exact headphones on Amazon. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.